In this video, I'll detail how to fix an iPhone that is frozen. So if your iPhone is frozen, neither of the touch screen is working. So when you touch your iPhone, or when you're trying to touch the iPhone screen like this, it is not working as expected. Then here in this video, I'm going to show you a quick workaround on what I do when my iPhone screen is not responding. So if you download this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix an iPhone that is frozen, all you just need to do is press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Volume up, volume down, and then the side button. So you have to do this quickly under a twinkle of an eye. Then let's go. Volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button. You're going to see slide to power off. Just keep holding this. Keep holding the side button until the iPhone screen goes off. And once the iPhone screen goes off, keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once the Apple logo appears on your iPhone, then you can now let it go. Then let it go. Then once you do this, this is going to clear all cache and cookies on your iPhone, and it's going to fix your iPhone screen frozen or stuck on iPhone screen. Or if your iPhone screen is not responding, you can just use this action to fix it. So after a couple of seconds, your iPhone is going to be forcefully restarted, and once it is done, then swipe up, type in your passcode, and you discover that the frozen screen will be fixed. So that's how you can easily fix an iPhone that is frozen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.